UglyChrisszy. I am back with another video. Sorry I've been gone for so long. It's been a whole month. Yes, I know. I've been really ill and in and out the hospital, but that's a whole nother story. We're going to save that for another video because today we are here to talk about Julia's hair. And this is the hair that I'm using right now. I created a unit and I am rocking the Malaysian curly hair. It's so bomb, isn't it? Just like, look at it. Admire it. Isn't it cute? Like, this frontal is life. It's like so perfect. Like, they were nice enough to send me a frontal of Malaysian Curly and 3 bundles of Malaysian Curly. I have a 18-inch frontal and I have 2 22 bundles and 1 bundle of 20. And this hair is, as you can see, lovely. Like, I've got so many compliments on this hair. Like, so many. Like, honestly, you guys are going to be seeing me wearing curly hair. Like, I used to actually always wear curly hair, and then I kind of like shifted to straight hair, and then that was like my thing for years. And I think I'm back with this because like this is so me. So this is the packaging that they send my hair in, and it's like a box. It's actually really cute. I could have done an unboxing, but it's just like, let's just get straight to the point, show you guys how it looks. I didn't put anything on it. I didn't put any type of products. I just wet it, and I actually like it fluffy, so I kind of like fluff it out. It can actually get bigger than this, or it can actually look smaller than this. Right when you wet it, it's like the perfect curl. Like, one day in one of my other videos, you guys will see me with it wet, but it dried up pretty quickly once I did my makeup. But it's so cute though. Like, the frontal is so lovely. Like, and I parted it in the middle because I always wear a middle part. This hair is life. Like, do you guys see it? So this is me parting it, showing you guys after I created this unit. It's like so cute. Like, I went out the other night and I'm telling you, like, non-stop compliments, okay? Non-stop, okay? And I wouldn't even lie. Like, now I did just put this hair in 2 days ago, but it's so much life. Like, they reached out to me and I was like, sure. And I looked on their page and I'm like, that Malaysian Curly is actually kind of cute, you know? Let me try that out. And this is actually my first time trying out Malaysian Curly. Such a pretty curl. It's so pretty. I was a little iffy, like, is it gonna be too big? Is it gonna be too kinky? I really didn't want anything that was too kinky or whatever like that. But I did want a curly unit, so I'm like, yeah, let's try curly. And they shipped it off so fast. I don't know if it was just for me or what, but their shipping process was like this. Like, they sent me my tracking number Friday and I got my hair Monday. Yeah, I got my hair Monday. Like, it was at my door Monday. So the shipping is 100% A1. Like, I still got hair left over. Like, I'm gonna turn that into a ponytail. It's really full. It comes down to my back, like mid back. So I also have a promo code that will definitely be listed below, and all you have to do after you put everything in your cart, you use the promo code UGLY, UGLY, and you get $8 off your purchase. And they also are having a spring sale. If you look below, I actually don't know what it is, but they sent it to me, so I'm gonna type it out, copy and paste it, and it's gonna be in the description box. And it's between a time frame, I think it's towards the end of March, where you purchase a certain amount and you get a certain amount off, like $5 off this amount and $10 off this amount. So regardless of any promo code, don't forget to use it, because you will save money and still look bomb while doing it. So I really have nothing bad to say about this hair. I'll give another review maybe like a week from now and let you guys know how I feel about it. But I think it's gonna be the same because I'm so like in love with this hair, and I will not lie, like this is nothing to lie about. Like it's really soft, like really soft. It's unbelievably soft. Like usually curly hair would be like kind of tangled or nappy. This one, nah, not at all. So thank you guys for watching, and please hit the subscribe button and also hit the like button, and also comment below and let me know what you think about the hair. And I believe all of their hair is really good, not just the curly. I believe the straight and the deep wave, the body wave, I'm pretty sure all that hair is good quality, because if the curly is, pretty sure the rest is. Go get it, girl. And if you purchase it and you want a unimade and you don't know nobody that can make it, you can hit me up, UglyChrisszy@gmail.com, and we can work something out, because I do make units for people, and you can get my pricing for me. You can hit me up on any of my social media, my Snapchat, my Twitter. If you really want a quick response, please hit me up on my email, because I check my email even when I'm in the club. So yeah, thank you guys. Bye.